Hi, it's Terry Gaines. I'm going to give you instructions on how to make this cute gift card holder. Pull up on the ribbon and the gift card and your message card pulls right out. Super easy to make. For the ones I'm making, I'm using the Santa's Workshop suite in the 2018 Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog using the Signs of Santa stamp set, the Santa's Workshop Designer Series paper, and the framelits. What's great about this suite are these framelits will cut out lots of the images right out of the Designer Series paper. Also, we'll be using the Poppy Parade half-inch textured wheat woven ribbon. So for this project, we need a strip of cardstock that is 2 inches wide by 8.5 inches long, scored at 4 1/4. My advice to you is if you're going to make more than one is score your 8.5 by 11 cardstock at 4 1/4, then cut it into your 2-inch sections. On each end, you need to use the scalp tag topper punch and punch both ends to get that decorative edge and the slit for the ribbon. So once we have that done, we're going to fold this in half right where it's scored. You need a piece of Designer Series paper or cardstock that's 2 3/4 by 5 3/8, scored at 1 1/2 on each end. Going to use your adhesive and just apply adhesive on the back side of both pieces or both ends of the cardstock or Designer Series paper. If this was right reading, this would be the bottom where the fold is. Going to have about a 1/4 inch spacing from the fold to the Designer Series paper, and then line equal spacing up from the fold, and then just fold these over, and that's going to adhere to the cardstock. In this opening here is where you're going to put your 12 inches of ribbon. Line them up equally on the bottom, and the insert card, I've used the stamp set in this suite and stamp the to and from along with a little message. You can take your insert card and your gift card and just push right between those two pieces of cardstock. It will go right into the holder, and then take 12 inches of baker's twine, tie a knot or half knot to bring those two together, and then finish it off by putting a bow. As I mentioned, this is super easy to make. This suite of product gives you so many options. There are so many different fun designs in this suite to use. So here you're going to embellish it per your desire. On the ones with the garden green, I use the white ribbon and then the baker's twine, the white and the garden green. So go over to my blog, Create with Terry Gaines, to get a free PDF of the dimensions and the instructions, and have fun making gift cards. Bye-bye.